Hello, my name is Dr. Diallo. I am an academic coach and a test prep expert with study.com. Are you currently preparing to take the FTCE Business Education 6 through 12 with testing code 051? This assessment covers a subtopic of knowledge of entrepreneurship and marketing. This assessment covers the subtopic of knowledge of entrepreneurship and marketing. Let's begin by looking at sample problem number 1. Which type of business ownership involves one individual who operates the business and is solely responsible for its debts? A, corporation, B, partnership, C, sole proprietorship, or D, limited liability company, LLC. Let's take a look at the important keywords in the question. We notice that it mentions business ownership, one individual who operates the business and is solely responsible. Now, let's discuss the choices. A, corporation. Well, a corporation is a business entity that offers its owners a degree of protection from liability. So this would not be the best choice. B, partnership. A partnership is a collaborative relationship between two or more parties, so that also would not be the best answer. C, sole proprietorship. Notice the keyword sole in this answer choice. And we noticed in the keyword up here in the question, solely was also listed, so this could possibly be the correct answer. Let's go ahead and look at D first. D, limited liability company, LLC. Well, a limited liability company is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the tax benefits of a partnership, protecting owners' personal assets from business debt. So this also would not be the best answer. Therefore, the correct answer is C, sole proprietorship. A sole proprietorship is owned and run by one person, and there is no legal distinction between the owner and the business entity. The owner receives all profits and has unlimited responsibility for all losses and debts. It is the simplest business form under which one can operate a business with a personal preference for routine and predictable work environments. This is what makes C the best answer choice. Which characteristic is often considered essential for an entrepreneur when starting and managing a successful new business venture? A, preference for routine and predictable work environments. B, risk aversion and a strong desire for job security. C, innovation and a willingness to take calculated risks. Or D, focus on short-term achievements over long-term goals. Our keywords in this question are once again entrepreneur, and they're starting and managing a successful new business venture. Let's keep those words in mind as we look at the choices. A preference for routine and predictable work environments. This is sometimes a key reason for someone to own a business, so this is a possibility. B, risk aversion and a strong desire for job security. Well, avoiding risk-taking in a job that offers security may not be the best choice for someone beginning as an entrepreneur, so I do not believe that that's the best answer choice. C, innovation and a willingness to take calculated risks. This sounds like it could be a good possibility, but let's be sure to look at D first. Focus on short-term achievements over long-term goals. Well, this isn't necessarily the case for an entrepreneur, so I don't really think that this is the best choice either. It looks like C, innovation, and a willingness to take calculated risk is going to be our best answer choice. Entrepreneurs are typically characterized by their ability to innovate and bring new ideas to market. They are also known for their willingness to take calculated risks, understanding that achieving business success often involves navigating uncertainty and potential failure. So yes, C is going to be the best answer choice for this question. What is a key strategy for maintaining a profitable business when experiencing increased competition in the market? Is it A, ignoring competitor actions and continuing with current business practices? B, increasing prices significantly to quickly boost short-term profits? C, diversifying the product or service offerings to differentiate from competitors? Or D, cutting all marketing expenses to reduce operational costs? So keywords within this question, we are looking for the idea of maintaining a profitable business and an increased competition in the market. What can we do? What strategies should we use should increased competition come into the market? Well, for answer choice A, ignoring your competitors' actions is never really a good idea. You always want to know what the competitors are doing, so this is not a good choice. B, increasing your prices significantly to quickly boost your short-term profits. This could have a negative impact, especially if your competition offers something similar for cheaper. So this is not the best answer choice either. What about C, diversifying the product or service offerings to differentiate from competitors? This sounds like it might be a good possibility, but again, let's look at D first. Cutting on marketing expenses to reduce operational costs, this isn't really a realistic possibility, and it could end up having a negative impact. Therefore, C, diversifying the product or service offerings to differentiate from competitors is going to be the best answer choice. When facing increased competition, one effective strategy for maintaining profitability is to offer a diverse range of products and services. This helps a business stand out in the market, meet various customer needs, and then to reduce the dependency on a single product or service, which could be risky if competitors offer better alternatives. So C is the best answer choice. A clothing retailer introduces a new line of eco-friendly apparel and wants to promote its commitment to sustainability. Which element of the marketing mix should the retailer focus on to communicate this unique selling proposition to consumers? A, price, B, place, C, promotion, or D, packaging? We want to keep in mind here that we are talking about eco-friendly apparel, something that is good for the economy and something that is good for the environment. Also, the fact that it's a sustainable apparel as well. While price, place, and packaging are all important aspects of marketing new line of products, something as different as sustainability and being eco-friendly would require these items along with other items. Therefore, C, promotion, is the best choice. This is because promotion actually involves a specific blend of advertising, sales promotion, public relations, personal selling, and social media through which a company communicates the value proposition and key benefits of its products to consumers. By focusing on promotion, the retailer can actually convey its commitment to sustainability and the eco-friendly attributes of its new apparel line. Therefore, C, promotion, is the best answer choice. Well, I'm hoping that you found that video to be informative and helpful. If so, be sure to check out the other videos on this channel. Please remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any more of our awesome videos and testing content. You can also get a lot of help from our website at study.com. As a member, you can access short, targeted video lessons, extra study materials, personalized study plans, and hundreds of practice problems. Those who have used study.com actually have a 92% passing rate. We are here wishing you all the best of luck. Good luck to you on your test.